Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to tell you the three ways to take the screenshot in Galaxy A15 5G. So the first method to take the screenshot is easy guys. Just press power button and volume down button at the same time for some sec, and as you see the screenshot is now done. So that's the first method, and the second method is guys, we have the assistant menu here. Just tap here, then we have these options, so just tap, and here we have the option of screenshots. So just tap on the screenshot so that the screenshot will be taken. I am telling you from where you can find the setting. So just firstly just go to the accessibility. Now tap to advanced settings here, and in the section we have accessibility menu. So just tap and make sure to save this to accessibility here, so that you have find the accessibility menu here. So this one is a second method, and we have a third method also, which is very unique method by the way. Many people doesn't know about this method. Just use your palm like this, and then you guys see we have the screenshot. As you guys see, the screenshot will be taken now. And the setting for this is also very easy. Just go to the settings here, come to the advanced feature, come to the motion and gestures, and on the last we have the option of palm swipe to capture. So make sure to enable this feature, and then you can take the screenshot like this. So that's how guys you can take the screenshot in three ways in Galaxy A15 5G. So that is it guys about the video. If this video helped you, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in the next video. Take care.